Hi everyone, we're going to write each expression in standard form of a plus bi, and we're using De Moivre's theorem. Apologize if some of y'all don't think I'm saying it very well, but De Moivre's theorem. And we already went over the theorem in the previous video, so basically what you're doing is you're going to take 3, you're going to take this 3 and multiply 3 cubed times cosine, and this your n is 3, so 3 times 80 degrees plus I times sine of 3 times 80 degrees. Alright, and so you're going to get 27 times cosine of 240 plus I times sine of 240 degrees. Alright, and this is going to give you 27, and cosine of 240 is negative 1/2, plus sine of 240 is negative square root of 3 over 2. So I'm going to go ahead and at this time just make this negative square root of 3 over 2i. And then we're simply going to multiply through by 27. So we get negative 27 over 2 minus 27 square root of 3 over 2i. And that's your final answer. All right, the next one, we have to the 4th power, and so we're going to do the same thing. This is going to be square root of 2 to the 4th. Whoops, why did I put the second? To the 4th. That just means square root of 2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2, which is going to, this is all going to equal 4. But anyway, so let me go do some more. So we have cosine 4 times 5 pi over 16 plus I times sine of 4 times 5 pi over 16. When you simplify this, we already know that this part here equals 4. So you get 4 cosine, and I'm just going to do 4 goes into 16 4 times. So it's 5 pi over 4 plus I times sine of 5 pi over 4. And that gives you 4. Cosine of 5 pi over 4 is negative square root of 2 over 2. And, whoops, why did I put the I? And sine of 5 pi over 4 is negative square root of 2 over 2 as well. It's in quadrant 3. Multiply through by 4. In this case, we can just cross the 2's out because 2 goes into 4 2 times. So we get negative 2 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2i. And that's your answer there. Okay, here's another one with the 5. So we're using the 5, so that's going to be 1/2 to the 5th, which is 1 over 32. And you get cosine of 5 times 72 plus I times sine of 5 times 72 degrees. So this is 1 over 32, and this is going to be cosine of 360 degrees plus I times sine of 360 degrees. So this is going to be 1 over 32 times cosine of 360 is 1, and sine of 360 is 0. So this whole thing is just going to 0 out. So we're just going to get 1, and our answer is 1 over 32. And the last one we have is in radians again, and so we're going to do to the 6th power. So square root of 3 to the 6th. That means you just write the square root of 3 out 6 times. And when you do that, you're going to get 27. So then we're going to go and do cosine of 6 times 5 pi over 18 plus I times sine of 6 times 5 pi over 18. Alright, now let me show you real quick what I'm talking about here. This just means you write it out 6 times 1, whoops, there's a 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 3 times 3 times 3. Multiply those together, you get 27. And 6 goes into 18 3 times, so you're going to get cosine 5 pi over 3 plus I times sine, same thing here, 5 pi over 3. Now we're going to evaluate, and you get 27 times 5 pi over 3. Cosine of 5 pi over 3 is 1/2. And sine of 5 pi over 3 is negative square root of 3 over 2. And then put the I. You simplify, and you're going to get 27 over 2 minus 27 square root of 3 over 2I. And that's all of this video. The next video we're going to do, and I can write it here, we're going to do the same thing, but they give you the equation in this form, square root of 3 minus I to the 6th. So they're going to write it like this, and it's going to take us a little longer, but we're going to do those. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.